Well, hello, and welcome back to my Indigo Mind. This is your host, Tashana, and darling, it's a me. So, today, baby, we are going to be talking about Strong Mommy Chrissy and this announcement, honey. I mean, we knew, but she actually gave it some validity, okay? So, baby, please stay tuned, and we're about to get right into this thing. Okay, I'm not even about to finna. I'm not even finna play with y'all. Okay, we're gonna get right into the meats and potatoes. Okay, preferably the red ones. Okay. Okay, so for those of you who don't know, which I'm sure you do, okay, or you've been under a rock, okay, because everybody's jumping on like, what? No. And I call all the shade, darling. Okay, baby, palm trees. They was throwing palm trees, okay, out here on the site today. You think I ain't see it, but I seen you. Okay? Now let's be very clear here. Okay, we know that since that whole debacle with you moving and him getting arrested and things of that nature, ma'am, that he wasn't there, right? So, perpetrating the fraud a little bit like what Jasmine is doing right now, okay? I just, my issue with this whole situation is the fact that these females are literally serial monogamous, right? They can't be alone. It's like, what is it about yourself? What is it you don't like about you that makes you not want to spend time healing from your last relationship before you jump into another one? It's kind of defeating the purpose at that point, ma'am. Okay? So, honey, we know not too long ago, she said that she was married and they split. And from what we know, they've never gotten a divorce. It's never been finalized. So we was always asking the question, well, sis, if your divorce is not finalized, ma'am, how do you plan on getting married? But I'm on my business. She was the least, I think. Now I'ma say it like it is. She stopped putting everything out, right? But in her not putting everything out, the stuff she did looked fugazi, right? So people started to question, like, is he what he say he is? Like, are you as happy as you say you are, or is this just being done for number one, a check, and for number two, to try to show up other miserable females? Because let's be clear, neither one of the other females that you were going back and forth with are in happy relationships either. And what I'm gonna need y'all to stop doing, now this is not just them, but this is women, period. We need to cleanse our bodies of that energy, honey, all that bad mojo before you go into another relationship, or else all you're doing is bringing all your baggage, all your mess, all that toxic energy into a new space. You don't give yourself time to heal. You don't think about the decisions that you're making before you make them. And then when people be like, hello, ma'am, sis, hello, you see me? All right, girl, I'm talking to you. That was stupid. I'm gonna just keep it about, okay, a stick. All right, that was dumb. But they want you to lie, like, girl, it's your life, honey. Everybody done been stupid sometime. Baby, every woman got a breaking point, honey. Every woman breaking point is not the same. Some people got the patience of a feather, okay, of a mustard seed. They're not gonna take it, honey. No disrespect will be tolerated. There's a zero tolerance policy in these houses, okay? So don't put your stuff on other people. Don't deflect. Don't put your stuff on others. Own your shit. That don't have nothing to do with what everybody else is doing. Ma'am. And the fact that you gave, I wasn't gonna say nothing. But you knew it was gonna come out. Like you knew and you wanted to get ahead of it before he even thought to have the audacity or the nerve to come out. I understand, see? But we not just gonna sweep this up under the rug like we wasn't just saying that the whole marriage proposal was your doing. Trying to one up someone and you're not really happy. Like, y'all gotta stop. What is more important? Your happiness or one up in a bitch that don't phase whether you get a good night restaurant? Because I'm gonna keep it real cute with you, say. Like, I don't want nothing before I'm ready for it. Like, I had it, been through it, wasn't ready for it, and when he feels I'm ready for it, he will give it to me, baby. That's how I feel. But y'all running out here, making your own life plans and wondering why you keep running to a brick wall because you're not learning that good old lesson. All right? So I'm gonna need you to go back, okay? Go back to the drawing board, sis, and start over again. And be like, okay, what can I do better? What is it about me that keeps attracting ain't shit niggas? Because at some point we gotta look inward, all right? Because you gotta be clear about something. If you're able to take on someone who doesn't respect nor value you as a person, as an individual, as a human being, because you don't even value yourself, what can you say to them? Like, really, you don't value you. So how the fuck is you gonna tell me to value you? Girl, if you don't get, like, and you wonder why you disrespectful, because they read that all on you, baby. Energy is real, okay? But child, tell me what you think about this mix, honey. Down in the comments, and make sure if you enjoy this video, you like and you subscribe, become part of the family, okay? And while you at it, hit that notification bell and set it to all so you know when I post. But mother has got to go. So later for now. Bye.